Google offers free AI courses with certificates. Here's all you need to know. Google free AI courses. Employers are increasingly looking for candidates who can use AI effectively while applying human judgment to verify outputs and ensure accuracy so that productivity improves without compromising quality or credibility. Google free AI courses. As artificial intelligence rapidly reshapes workplaces across industries, the ability to understand and use AI tools is fast becoming a core job skill rather than an added advantage. From content creation and data analysis to customer engagement and workflow automation, AI is now embedded in everyday professional tasks. Employers are increasingly looking for candidates who can use AI effectively while applying human judgment to verify outputs and ensure accuracy so that productivity improves without compromising quality or credibility. Recognizing this shift, Google has rolled out a wide range of free artificial intelligence courses with certificates of completion for learners across the globe. The courses are available through platforms such as Google Cloud Skills Boost and Grow with Google and are designed for everyone, from beginners with no prior AI knowledge to working professionals, educators, students, and business owners. Why AI skills matter today. Traditional working methods alone are no longer sufficient to meet the speed and scale of modern demands. AI is increasingly used as an assistive tool to handle repetitive or time-consuming tasks, allowing professionals to focus on decision-making and creative work that requires human insight. Upskilling in AI has therefore become essential to stay relevant in a job market that is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Free AI courses offered by Google. Google's AI learning programs are flexible, online, and self-paced, allowing learners to upskill alongside work or studies. Some of the key courses include Accelerate Your Job Search with AI, 6 hours, teaches learners how to use AI tools such as Gemini and Notebook LM to identify transferable skills, build a structured job search plan, manage applications, and prepare for interviews. Prompting Essentials, 6 hours, focuses on writing effective prompts in simple steps, helping users get clearer, more useful results from AI tools and improve everyday productivity. AI Essentials, 5 hours, an entry-level course covering the basics of generative AI with hands-on practice using AI for ideation, content creation, and daily work tasks. AI for Small Businesses introduces how AI-powered tools can help small enterprises operate more efficiently, engage customers, and support business growth. AI for Educators, 2 hours, helps teachers use generative AI to save time, personalize instruction, and design more engaging lessons. AI for Students, designed to help students manage coursework, study smarter, and use